You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
The OPPO Watch X3 is being called the next evolution of smartwatch leaders, but it hasn't officially hit the market yet. So what exactly makes it stand out? Is it the premium materials, the advanced health features, or the seamless smart ecosystem? Let's take a closer look together. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Right from the start, what impressed me most about the OPPO Watch X3 was its build quality. The entire body is crafted from aerospace-grade titanium. Compared to the usual stainless steel, it's noticeably lighter while still being stronger and more durable. After wearing it for more than a week, I've barely felt the need to take it off, except for charging. Whether I'm working during the day or sleeping at night, it feels incredibly comfortable and almost weightless. Paired with a sapphire crystal casing, it easily resists everyday scratches, giving it outstanding durability. The 12-sided bezel design, along with the soft and well-fitted strap, adds a premium sturdy look while keeping it comfortable on the wrist. When it comes to the OPPO Watch X3, health features are truly at its core. This isn't just a device that logs data, it's designed as a smart health hub that offers a full management system. One of the biggest highlights is the upgraded 5-sense hypertension risk assessment. This feature goes beyond basic tracking by introducing a solution aimed at reducing hypertension risk. It's developed in collaboration with the Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences and Fudan University Hospital, which adds a strong layer of credibility. The watch can screen for hypertension risk using this 5-sense system, but more importantly, it doesn't stop there. After the assessment, the companion app dives deeper into factors that affect blood pressure, like sleep quality, exercise intensity, and daily activity levels. Based on this data, it creates practical, measurable daily goals, like completing 30 minutes of walking, helping me actively work toward improving my blood pressure health. Another feature I found really useful is the 60-second AI health check. In just 1 minute, it evaluates key health metrics across heart health, sleep patterns, and overall wellness. The AI then generates a report with trend insights and actionable suggestions, making it easier to track and manage potential health risks over time. There's also an improved sleep apnea risk assessment feature. It's one of only 2 smartwatches in the industry to receive National Second-Class Medical Device Certification, which means it delivers medical-grade accuracy in monitoring. This helped me better understand how my sleep quality at night could be connected to blood pressure. On top of that, its fast initial data measurement makes the whole monitoring process quicker and more efficient. For those who love staying active, the OPPO Watch X3 feels like having a professional companion right on your wrist. One feature I personally enjoyed the most is the AI Sports Coach. Before you even start working out, it evaluates your condition across 5 key areas like sleep quality, blood pressure, and overall health to decide whether you're ready to exercise and what intensity suits you best. While you're training, it tracks things like distance, pace, and your aerobic zone in real time. When you're done, it breaks everything down into clear segments, showing whether your workout was too light, just right, or over the top. This helps avoid both injuries and wasted effort from unstructured training. It genuinely feels like having a personal trainer guiding you, especially for runners, with in-depth insights that can really help boost performance. When it comes to smart features, the OPPO Watch X3 makes full use of its ecosystem strengths. The new gesture-based assistant is super handy, letting you quickly set alarms, control connected devices, or start a workout without even reaching for your phone. You can literally stay half asleep and still get things done. Another standout is the smooth audio and notification experience. Updates from your phone, like ride bookings, food deliveries, or flight details, sync automatically to the watch, and a simple flick of your wrist lets you check everything instantly. The way notifications and services blend together feels seamless. As one of the leading devices in the Android smartwatch space, it also comes with a wide range of apps and supports a one-watch charging feature, which is especially useful if you're using 2 phones, ensuring you stay updated without missing anything important. In everyday use, it basically delivers a phone-like app experience right on your wrist. After spending a full week with the OPPO Watch X3, it's clear why it's getting so much attention. The craftsmanship of the bezel, the choice of materials, and its health and fitness capabilities all stand out at a top-tier level. It strikes a great balance between offering professional-grade fitness guidance and a smooth, intelligent daily experience. For anyone who values a better lifestyle, cares about personal and family health, and appreciates premium design, the OPPO Watch X3 presents a well-rounded and dependable option. It proves that a flagship smartwatch can look stylish while also delivering powerful, health-focused features.